Hey guys, this is Abdullah Mamun and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log Facebook account within 3 minutes. So keep watching this tutorial to the end and never forget to subscribe my channel, smash the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started today's video. First of all, you need to go to your Facebook account and then click on it and then click on help center and then click on help and support. After that, tap on help center and finally search here, how do I log my Facebook profile? Okay, how do I log my Facebook profile? And then scroll down, you can see how do I log my profile. To log your profile from your profile page, tap in the top right of Facebook, then tap your name, tap more under your name, tap log your profile. So I'm gonna click on it, log your profile. Okay, my profile was locked, so I'm gonna unlock my profile. Okay, now I am going to lock my profile again. Okay, so you can see this kind of interface here. Just click on it, lock your profile, and then click on it. Okay, so you can see you locked your profile. My profile is already locked. So guys, that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.